So our next set of tools is really helping you tap into circles of influence because your members are connected. They're connected to other members within the industry. They're connected to non-members within the industry. And the more you can tap into their circles of influence, the greater your webinar numbers can grow. One thing you should be doing on your emails, make sure that you have a link where people can forward the email. It seems silly, we think, well, if they like the email, surely they would forward it to a friend. Maybe yes, maybe no. Sometimes providing that reminder, that little nudge can be enough to get people thinking about it and enough to take action. It's the same concept when you think about why do we have to tell people to actually register for our events. Because of human psychology. We have to tell people to register. We have to tell them, please forward this email to a friend or colleague. You can use a refer a friend function, and what that is on the confirmation page. So somebody comes to your website, they sign up for your webinar, and then they're taken to a confirmation page where they get instructions about how to actually get on the webinar. On that page right there, you can program it so that they can enter the name and email address of, say, 1 to 3 different colleagues who might be interested in learning about this webinar, and tell them right there, thanks for registering, here are your instructions. Help spread the word about this webinar. Please enter the name and email address of up to 3 colleagues that might be interested in learning more about this event. And then when people enter that information, have your system set up to automatically send an email that contains promotional information about your upcoming webinar. And just don't save those addresses because those people haven't opted into your email list. It's more of a one-time promotion to them. You can also include that refer a friend call to action in your confirmation email. So when they sign up, they go to a confirmation page and they're also sent an email confirming their registration. Use that space as well to remind them that please let other people know about this webinar because this is great content. And then when you send the reminder email the day before the day of the webinar telling them again how to get on, you can use that opportunity as well to remind them that there's still space available. Please tell your friends and colleagues about this. The next tool is affiliates. Affiliates are organizations or individuals who will help to promote your event, and usually you're compensating them with some form of compensation, money for every registration that they generate. If your affiliates can't accept money or don't want to be paid, then you can extend the people that they refer a discount. So if you're going to give a 30% commission, give their people a 30% discount on the webinar registration fee. Affiliates can include other associations. It can include your instructors. It can include your vendor members. So, and of course, it can include the members as well. You could set up your refer a friend function so that every member who refers another member or another colleague earns a commission on that referral. The key for this is that you do have to have a system in place, some sort of mechanism in place to track who is sending you which customers. So if a registration comes in through an affiliate, you have to be able to track it back and figure out who sent it to you because you want to reward them for their performance, reward them for the results that they're generating for you. And one nice thing about the KRM system is that you can code your promotions. So every single affiliate that you have can receive its own code. So it's very, very easy to go back and track who is sending you which registrations. And another nice thing, KRM can co-brand your pages so that if let's say you were partnering with another association who wanted to help promote your events, you could drive their members to a unique landing page that has their logo as well as your logo. And the reason you do that is to get some continuity in your marketing. The email message comes from the other association, goes to their members, and then when they click the link, it comes to a web page where they're still listed so that they know that they're in the right place. KRM system can do that and highly, highly encourage that. And then finally, enlist your staff. Everybody on your team is part of your sales force, part of the marketing team. So keep your staff updated. Tell them, what's going on. Keep them updated about the event. You might want to give them talking points, too. What sorts of members should be attending this webinar? What should they be listening to in terms of complaints or challenges or questions that they would be getting so that they would know that, hey, this member is really a great prospect for this upcoming webinar. Provide that and keep them motivated. Keep them excited and informed about what you have coming up.